Carunklama, 26 plus years experience in mobile temperature control system innovative technology. 16 plus years experience in OE, ODM, and project business cooperation with top brand in 10 plus countries. Owns specialties in R&D and manufacture of electric APU, transport refrigeration unit and air conditioning system for trucks, vans, bus, and various types of vehicles. Each product from Carunklama is supported by international dealer network, or its own, which enables us to ensure consistency of pre- and after-sales consultation and technical support. We firmly believe that our products would ideally satisfy your need.